Riding bike is an affordable and environmental-friendly approach to get around. As a bike share system in Chicago, DV is operating 580 bike stations in the city. However, we discovered that this bike share system needs improvement. Our goal is to create a product that will provide more user-friendly and smarter usages for bike users, and therefore to promote the usage of this bike share system. There is an existing DV app which tells users the location of bike stations, how many bikes and docks available, and where to stop your bike. However, it is not able to tell you if there will be bikes available when you arrive at the station, how long to wait for a bike from an empty station, and if there will be docks available when you arrived at your destination. DV can be smarter. Imagine there is an app which can tell you how many bikes available in different stations within the next few hours, how the available bikes will change in the future, how long should I wait to get a bike, and what is the most time-efficient trip. This new app we are designing is called DV Plus, which will create smarter, more time-efficient DV trips for all the bike users. When you open our DV Plus, you will see that the bike stations are categorized as 3 different colors. The red station means that there is currently no bike available. The yellow station means that there are bikes available now, but there will be no bike in the following hour. And the green station means that there is and will be bikes available in the following hour. This app is also able to balance the usage of bikes in the future. If users want to use a bike, the app will search for the nearest available stations. If the nearest station is currently no bike available, it will calculate your wait time for the next available bike. It will also offer an alternative choice by searching for the nearest bike station with bikes currently available and calculate the cost of time to get there. What if all the bike stations around you will not be available in the next hour? Our DV Plus will then calculate the average waiting time for you. It will also provide a list of all the wait time of your nearby stations and calculate the distance and cost of time to get to the station, so that you can choose your trip between the shortest walk and the shortest cost of time. What if you arrive at your destination and find that there is no available dock for you to park your bike? When typing in your destination in our app, it will search for the nearest bike station from your destination with docks available, so that you will know where you can park your bike at the end of the trip. It will also calculate the total cost of time of your trip and provide different trip options, so that you are able to plan for your trip in advance. So, how can we make the DV bike smarter? To realize our innovations mentioned before, we need to know how many bikes and docks available in the future. Thus, we've built an OLS model predicting the departure for each hour of the bike stations using 36 variables including demographic, economic, spatial characteristics, time, weather, and historic departures and arrivals. We select 144 stations around Loop and collected the departure for each hour from August the 1st to 7th in 2015 as our training set, which includes around 24,000 samples. Then we used this model to predict for August 8th, which is a Saturday, and August 10th, which is a Monday. This ensures that our model is generalizable for both the weekday and the weekend. Our result shows that the accuracy of our model is around 0.69, and the mean absolute error is 1.72, which means that for each departure we predict, the average error is around 2 departures. Among all the variables, the departures and arrivals of the same day 1 week before and the departure an hour ago are the most significant variables in our model. From the test set we predicted on August 8th and 10th, the result shows that the percent of error is larger at 9 for both the weekday and the weekend. but it is much lower and more stable during the daytime, which means that our model is doing well at hours with more departures. This is the outcome we want, since typically more people use bikes in daytime and fewer people use bikes at midnight. Our model and app still need improvement. We can include more samples and more historical data in our model. If we include departures from the last few weeks and months, our model will be more accurate and generalizable. We can also let the users to report error on our app when we fail to predict departure for some stations, and include that error report as a variable in our model. In this way, we can improve the accuracy of our model by engaging our users. Thank you for listening.